Even with the holidays right around the corner, you can still start planning for your future now. The truth is, those bills after New Year don't wait, so taking small steps today can make things a lot easier later. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jason, helping everyday people build income online using simple tools, simple systems, and strategies that actually work. Most people slow down this time of year. Our focus shifts to the holidays, spending time with family, seeing friends, and just winding down. But when the new year hits, so does reality. The bills start rolling in, and it's right back to the daily grind. That's what led me to GDI, a company that's been around for over 25 years. You get your own domain, your own website, a professional email, and a full set of tools you can actually use to build something real. And for just $10 a month, it's one of the few platforms that keeps things affordable, even when money's tight. Disclaimer: all content on this channel is for educational purposes only. I don't guarantee results or income. Your success depends on your own effort, consistency, and willingness to take action. Some links may be affiliate links, which means I may earn a small commission if you choose to make a purchase through them. This helps support the channel and keeps the content free for you. That's why I use a system that features GDI and brings everything you need together in one place. One link, multiple income streams. Done-for-you pages, tracking, follow-up letters, and even traffic sources built right in. And with the step-by-step training, you always know exactly what to do next, even if you're brand new. If you're ready to start planning ahead and want a simple system that puts everything in one place, check out the $10 funnel. The first link in the description will show you exactly how it works and how to get started. And if you found value in this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss future tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.